We are going to pick, first off, blessings everyone. We Terry till he comes homestead. Sister Marcel here. We are going to pick the first apples. So right here we have Fuji apple. I planted this around September of last year, and it was just, it barely had any foliage on it, any leaves on it. And where I get these trees from is called Kurt's Nursery. They sell only trees that are ready to actually, produce fruit. Ooh, it looked like a deer probably came in. I'm just noticing I got some leaves that's been eaten off. You mean a deer been over here? Y'all let some deers come over, Matrix. You let some deers come over here? Yes, something's been snacking on these leaves. Look, y'all. What could it been? Something been snacking away. I'm glad it's fruited though, but something has been snacking away. Look like they got a little bit of the snacks and maybe the dogs barked and shooed them off. But these are Fuji apples. I don't think they're ready yet. Not quite. There's a few on here. I did have to thin it out some. As you can see, that's hanging down. But yeah. Over here is the Honey Crisp. And y'all, look how big this apple is right here. So we are going to pick it. It's still a few on here. I'm pretty sure it's ready to harvest all the apples. So we've got a couple of big ones. Look at this one right here. Ooh wee, ooh wee. I'm just gonna twist and pull it up. Look how big this apple is. Look how big this apple is. This apple is huge. Huge. It is definitely ready to be harvested. This is Honeycrisp. Here is a here. It's from Monrovia. So yeah, I purchased this when it was they said that it would fruit the following season, and sure enough it did. I planted this around October-ish, and as you can see, here we are. We got fruit. It's another big one down here. I can really cut this off. I just left it on there. But here's another big one. Twist that off. Look at that. I might make some applesauce. These some big apples. All right. I didn't bring my basket. Let me get my basket. All right. So I got my little basket here. So let's put these in here. We got some down here that need to be picked. Nice, nice. This one is a little deformed. But hey, I can still make some applesauce or some apple butter. That one's really deformed. Don't know if it's any good or not. But we got here. Oh, that one's been eaten. So maybe we'll toss it up. It didn't quite short. So I'll have to go down there and pick that. But let's grab this one here. And this one up here. Yeah, I can still make some applesauce out of here. So it looks like that one, this is another big one. Another big one over here. Not quite ready yet. Let's see. Y'all know what these are? I have no idea. That's a messed up one too. Look like some need to ripen a little more. As far as over here on the Fuji, I don't think they're quite ready yet. But it looked like something got a hold of it, y'all. Something got a hold of it. Even over here, looked like they was just eating away. I don't know what it could be, but I don't know what it could be, but yeah. Oh, I see a caterpillar. That's probably what it is. Look at that critter right there. Y'all see it? Y'all see that creature right there? This is probably the culprit. This little thingy right here. As Broke would say, it's going to the upper room. So we're just going to set you down right there. So it's probably more on here. I do see little, is that little feces? Is that little poop feces? I don't know. But yeah, now I know. Now I know. It wasn't the deer. Because the deer would have... Ooh, look at that, y'all. Oh, snapatola. Look at those caterpillars. Look how big. What? Y'all, look how huge these caterpillars are on my Fuji tree right here. Y'all see this? I thought maybe some deers got me. I thought maybe some deers kind of got me with the leaves, but I'm like, why is still a lot of leaves on here, right? Until I look up and I see these bad boys. Y'all see them? They are humongous. Look at that one. Look how big that is. And right here. And up there. So they were just going ham, but they about to go to the upper room. So, yeah. They about to go bye-bye. Thinking what I want to do is just cut this branch down because there's no apples on this. And, yeah, even higher up. Oh, they finna go. All right, y'all. So, if you guys know what kind of caterpillars these are, let me know if it's okay for my chickens to have them, because yeah, I'm about to cut them down. I did not see all of that, so I'm gonna have to set y'all down for a minute. Does anybody know what kind of caterpillar these are? Anybody know? Because there's quite a few on here. I thought maybe the deers got my tree, but it's actually these little critters. Look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's look and see if there's any more. Look like that might be it. Yeah, they was going to town. Oh, there's one right here. Looks like there's one right. Am I on it? Right there. So we're gonna get that down. Look like another one right up. Oh, snap. I didn't see that. So yeah, we about to get rid of these. Y'all know what kind of caterpillars these are? Anybody? They just clumped up on here. They got to go. They got to go. Okay, so as we were so rudely interrupted by those caterpillars, as I was saying, these are not quite ripe yet, so I'm gonna let them sit a little while longer up in here and give them maybe a few more weeks, and then I'll harvest. I'm gonna let this one looks like it can get a little more. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. So this is the harvest of the apples. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna make applesauce or apple butter, or I might make apple juice. Stay tuned to see what I do.